Hey guys, Mike here. Everything you see, all of this, I designed it thanks to binging on Lisa Holt's YouTube channel.
Wow, amazing, right? Look at that tree over there. I did that myself.
Okay, this part was supposed to be a waterfall, but hey, I'm still learning. Now, I've done a few non-jungle projects, and I think I did pretty good. I did this bathroom for this one client as well. I think it came out great.
Well, my contractor said he was the best.
I've got to get into Lisa's coaching program. Plumbing is tough, right?
Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe and check out Lisa's Jungle Designs, the bomb.